So children, volume of cylinder is, we have started, and there we have seen two formulas. Volume of any prism is area of base into height, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now some examples. First example, find the volume of a cylinder whose height is 10 centimeter and radius of base is 5 centimeter. Children, here pi is equal to what? 3.14. So let's solve the solution. Radius of a base of cylinder r is equal to what? 5 centimeter. And height is what? 10 centimeter. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. That is equal to 3.14 into r square means 5 square into 10. Now 5 square means 25. So it is equal to 3.14 into 25 into 10. This will be equal to 785 cc's. That is cubic centimeter. So in this way we have found volume of cylinder as 785 cc. Now let's see example 2. Height of a cylindrical drum is 56 centimeter. Find the radius of the drum if capacity of that drum is 70.4 liter. Here pi is equal to what? 22 upon 7. We have to use this value. Now see what is given. Height of cylindrical drum is given as 56 and find the radius. So let the radius of cylindrical drum be r. Now capacity of drum will be equal to volume of drum. That is, what is the volume of drum then? Here in the question, capacity of that drum is given as 70.4 liter. So 70.4 into 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 cc. Okay. So volume of drum is equal to now 70.4 into 1000 cubic centimeter. Since 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, therefore 70.4 liter will be what? 70,400 milliliter. Now let's see. Therefore volume of water will be equal to what? Pi r square h. And now volume of water will be in milliliter. So it is 70,400. So volume of water is given as 70,400. And what is the formula for volume of water? Pi r square h. So pi r square h is equal to 70,400. From these two equation, this equation, we have to find the value of r. So separate r square. It is equal to 70,400 upon pi into h. Now substitute the value for pi as 22 upon 7. So 22, instead of 22 upon 7, we will write here 22 into height is 56 and upon 7 will go upward. So 70,400 into 7 upon 22 into 56. Understood this relation? Now it is equal to 7 ones and 7 eights are cancel. So 70,400 upon 22 into 8. So it is equal to 8,800 upon 22, which is equal to 400. And r square is 400. So r is equal to what? 20. Square root of 400 means 20. Therefore radius of the drum is 20 centimeter. So example 2 is over. Now let's see example 3. So see now question. Radius of solid copper cylinder is 4.2 centimeter and its height is 16 centimeter. How many discs of diameter 1.4 centimeter and thickness 0.2 centimeter can be made from this cylinder melting it? So if the cylinder is melt, how many solid disc can be made? So see now what is given here. Radius of solid copper cylinder is 4.2 and height is given. So with these two values, let us solve. Radius of the base of the cylinder is equal to capital R. First of all, we will see capital R for radius of base of cylinder, that is equal to 4.2 centimeter. And height is given as, height of that cylinder is capital H, that is 16 centimeter. So volume of the cylinder will be pi r square h. Here we will use r and h as capital. Okay, now pi into r square is 4.2 into 4.2 into 16.0. Here we will keep this term as it is. And now what we will see, radius of the base of the disc, because for disc diameter is given as 1.4 centimeter and thickness is 0.2 centimeter. So radius of the base of the disc is will be equal to what? If diameter is given as 1.4, so radius will be 1.4 divided by 2, that is 0.7 centimeter. and thickness of disc means what? Height of the disc, that is equal to 0.2 centimeter. So now we know height also and we know radius also. So let us use these two values in the formula. Volume of a disc is equal to pi r square h. So pi into r square is 0.7 into 0.7 into 0.2. Now how many discs can be made? That we have to find. So let n number of discs can be made from the molten cylinder. Therefore n multiplied by volume of one disc, whatever volume of one disc will be there, that is multiplied by n, it is equal to volume of that cylinder. So from this equation we can find n. N is equal to volume of the cylinder upon volume of one disc, which is equal to what? Pi r square h. Volume of cylinder is which one? Pi r square h upon volume of one disc is what? Pi r square h. Small r and small h. Now pi get cancelled. So what is there? R square h into r square upon r square h. So substitute the value. So here we have pi get cancelled. So 4.2 into 4.2 into 16.0. And below what we will have? Volume of a disc as 0.7, 0.7 and 0.2. So these three values. Now remove 7 and 7 here, 0.7 and 0.7, 4.2 and 4.2. Both the decimal points gets changed, that is they get cancelled. So 42 into 42 and here 7 into 7. Now here 16 upon 0.2 is there. So from 0.2 remove the decimal point and put 10 in the numerator, that is 160. So 160 upon 2. So 42 into 42 into 160 upon 7 into 7 into 2. So after calculation what we get? 2880. So therefore 2880 disc will be made from the cylinder. Okay children, have you understood? Now what we'll see, how many discs can be made? 2880 discs will be made from that cylinder. Let's see some important formulae. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r into h plus r. And volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now children, we'll see practice set 16.3. Practice set 16.3. Let us see first question. Find the volume of cylinder if height h and radius of the base r is given as, then r is given as 10.5 cm, h is given as 8 cm. So for a cylinder r is equal to 10.5 and h is equal to 8 cm. Let us use the formula for volume. Volume is equal to pi r square h. So 22 upon 7 into 10.5 into 10.5 into 8. So this will be 2772 centimeter cube, that is volume. Okay. Now second question, r is given as 2.5, h is given as h is given as 7 centimeter. So for solution, for a cylinder r and h values we have to write again. Now volume is equal to pi r square h. Substitute the value, 22 upon 7 into 2.5 into 2.5 into 7. So that will be 137.5 centimeter cube. Here centimeter is given, so centimeter cube. If it is meter, so meter cube. Here you have to give centimeter cube. So volume is 137.5 meter cube. Children, practice set 16.3. First question, first and second is over here. In the next part we will see first question, third and